In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see channel info on WhatsApp Web. If you're trying to understand WhatsApp's latest channels features and want to explore channel details directly from your computer, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, tap Linked Devices, and scan the QR code to sign in. Once connected, WhatsApp Web will load and display a layout similar to the mobile app. On the left-hand side of the screen, where your chat list appears, you'll notice a Channels icon. Click on it to access the Channels section, where you can see all the channels you follow or want to explore. If you follow many channels, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific channel by name. After locating the channel you're interested in, click on it to open the channel feed. At the top of the channel chat window, you'll see the channel's name or profile picture. Click on either one. Once you do that, the channel information panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Here you can view important details such as the channel description, rules, admin or contact information, and other relevant details. This update makes it much easier to understand and manage channels directly from WhatsApp Web, especially when following multiple channels. And that's it. You've now learned how to view channel information on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring!